Hey everybody, man, repping my Phil Morley hat today, and this is going to answer some questions we've been getting. So I got a lot of questions about this machine, as we always do, because that's crazy. As far as I know, there are 3 of them in the US. I'm sure there are more, but that's all the ones I know about. Caleb James Maker, at Caleb James Maker, he introduced me to these, and we went over to Italy and bought these machines together. He's got one that's slightly newer. Mine is refurbished from 1996. His is, I think, just after 2000, 2001, maybe something like that. They kind of made some changes at that point. We bought them from CASELLI Group. This is a 100-year-old business that does a lot of tool refurbishments. Every once in a while they get these in, so if you're interested in that sort of thing, you can contact CASELLI Group. We also tagged CASELLI Group in the last reel that we had. What were